Next one, 8.23. Discuss the principle of estimation of halogens, sulfur and phosphorus present in an organic compound. So, halogen, sulfur, phosphorus are explained by Carrier's method. Carrier's method. So, sulfur. So, organic compound containing sulfur. So, for this substance, by adding fumings, nitric acid and sulfuric acid and barium chloride, the total sulfur converted into barium sulfate. The total sulfur converted into barium sulfate. 100% sulfur converted into barium sulfate. Then percentage of sulfur is equal to 32 by 233 into weight of barium sulfate, WOC, weight of organic compound, WOC into 100. So it is the formula. So percentage of sulfur is equal to 32 by 233 into weight of barium sulfate by WOC, weight of organic compound into 100. Next one, phosphorus. Phosphorus is also estimated by Carrier's method. Organic compound containing phosphorus plus magnesium sulfate plus aqueous ammonia. Organic compound containing phosphorus plus MgSO4 plus aqueous ammonia. Then MgNH, magnesium ammonium phosphate, is formed. On heating it, magnesium Mg2P2O7 is formed. Magnesium pyrophosphate Mg2P2O7 is formed. Then percentage of sulfur is equal to, here 32 means sulfur weight. BaSO4 molecular weight is 233. So 32 means sulfur weight. 233 means barium sulfate. Similarly, here 62 means phosphorus. 31 plus 31, 62 by Mg2P2O7 molecular weight is 222. Mg2P2O7 molecular weight, because 24 plus 24, 31 plus 31, 16 into 7. So totally 222 into weight of Mg2P2O7 by WOC into 100. It is the formula. Next one, halogens. Halogens is also estimated by using Carrier's method. For example, organic compound containing chlorine, it is first added AgNO3. So silver nitrate is added, then AgNO3 is converted into silver chloride. Then aqueous ammonia, by adding aqueous ammonia, it is silver chloride completely soluble, 100% soluble. Then percentage of chlorine is equal to chlorine weight 35.5 by AgCl molecular weight, Ag 108, chlorine 35.5, totally 143.5, weight of AgCl by WOC into 100. It is the formula. Last one, organic compound containing bromine. By adding AgNO3, so the bromine converted into AgBr. Then adding aqueous ammonia, it is partially soluble. Then percentage of bromine is equal to 80 by 188. So plus 80 into 188 into weight of AgBr by WOC into 100. It is the formula. 80 means bromine weight. So silver 108. So totally 188. Weight of AgBr by WOC. WOC means weight of organic compound into 100.